Myanmar, Burma, an emerging market. Myanmar is slowly opening up to foreign investors and expats, offering unique opportunities for those looking to live in a country with rich cultural history and emerging industries. Cost of living. Monthly expenses range from Myanmar kyat 800,000 to 1 million, 500,000 USD 380 to 720. Utilities typically cost around Myanmar kyat 50,000 to 100,000 USD 25 to 50 per month. Rent prices. A one-bedroom apartment in Yangon costs around Myanmar kyat 500,000 to 1 million USD 250 to 500 per month. Job opportunities. Key industries include agriculture, manufacturing, energy, and tourism. English-speaking professionals are needed in education, healthcare, and development sectors. Minimum financial commitment. You'll need at least Myanmar kyat 5 million USD 2,500 for initial costs. Residency and citizenship. Residency, work visas are available for professionals, but long-term visas are limited. Citizenship, very difficult to obtain, typically restricted to those with significant ties to the country. How A-Land can help. A-Land's legal partners can assist with navigating Myanmar's emerging market and visa processes for expats looking to invest or work in the country.